Hello, first grade friends. It's Mrs. Saylor. Are you ready to take an adventure in reading? Let's go. Boys and girls, today we're going to practice our new high-frequency words for a musical day. Remember, high-frequency words are words that you do not sound out and that you're able to read right away when you see them. Repeat after me. Would, her, our, today, now, she. Great job, boys and girls. The first word is her. Say the word her. Boys and girls, you're going to skywrite the letters while I write them. Be sure to say each letter as you make it. H, E, R, her. What's the word? Her. Say it again. Her. Her is a pronoun that you use when talking about a female. The next word is now. Say the word now. Let's skywrite. N, O, W, now. What's the word? Now. Say it again. Now. The next word is our. Try that word, our. We love our students. Let's write it. O, U, R, our. Say it again. Our. What's the word? Our. The next word is she. Say the word she. Let's write it. S, H, E, she. What's the word? She. Say it again. She. Boys and girls, I notice the SH in the beginning of that word. We know SH is a digraph that says shh. That can help you read the word she. The next word is today. Say the word today. Let's spell it. T, O, D, A, Y, today. What's the word? Today. Say it again. Today. I noticed two smaller words in this word today. Do you see them? To and day. That can help you read the word today. Our last word today is would. Say the word would. Let's spell it. W, O, U, L, D, would. What's the word? Would. Say it again. Would. Boys and girls, would is another question word. You can use it to ask a question. Would you like cookies for breakfast? Boys and girls, you have worked so hard today. Keep practicing your high-frequency words a little each day. If you can read them, practice spelling them. I'll see you next time.